So hey guys, welcome to our channel again. So today in this very important video, we're gonna see the practical implementations of support and resistance in the particular video. So if you haven't watched the previous video, we'll cover the theoretical part of support and resistance. I was trying you to, teach you something uh, theoretical but important. But in the video, this video is much more important than the previous video because we're gonna see the practical implementations of it, right? As I'm telling you. So we're on the website of TradingView. So it is completely a free website. You can hover into the website and check everything, and you will find each and every stocks and also commodities and also cryptocurrencies shares. So right, and you can also trade via that TradingView website. So whichever broker you have used, so they have the integration, they have the TradingView integrations into the particular broker via that. Okay, and we're just taking an example of Nifty 50, which is largest India's largest 50 company. Okay, so let's delete me everything. Okay, so let's jump me into the 5-minute chart. So as you can see, this is what call a support and resistance zone. Okay, so let's say that I'm feeling this is a resistance zone for the market because that is the time. If you see, then that is the time when price takes the resistance zone and couldn't break the zone. So if you see that the price is falling down, small pull up, but the price couldn't resist from here, and then it goes again deep down. And again here, if you see for the same level, then it is also not gonna happen, and also for that level and also for the next level. If you see, so I think that this is a important resistance level for the market. So how you can plot it? You have to just to simply hover your mouse into the tool sections, and in the brush icon you have to just click there, and here you will find a rectangle positions, right? So you have to just click the rectangle, and you have to just simply draw your support zone from here. So why we draw it? Because we knew that when the price is moving around the support zone, then we can predict that it could that this is a strong support zone. Sorry, this is a strong resistance zone. Market could resist here for 5 to 10 times, and again market can fall from here. So as you can see that if you are a strong price action trader, then you can find your trade from here, because you will see that this is a big red candle for us, and if you sell here, then you can pitch that kind of profit, right? So when the price is moving into the support and resistance zone, you have to wait for the time, because in the support and resistance zone there is a high chance that the price can go up or price can go down, but you should not have to be gamble there, right? So you should have to be patient just, and if you see that this is the price point, price can be pull up, price can move in the upward side, but price is moving in the downward side. So if you're a gambler, then you will think that price will gonna up. If you bet that, you will probably make money, but you don't have any logic. And again similarly, if you uh, or are on the right side, let's say that is the time of sell side, so you will probably gonna make money, but you are doing nothing, you are just taking a gamble. So it could be like multiple 100x, and it could be also zero. So you shouldn't have to do it. You have to be very smartly taking your money, and you should have to be smartly grown your money. Okay, so this is a strong resistance zone for us, and if we plot any support zone, so uh, so if I will show you the settings of my rectangle. So this is extended right. I would recommend you to also be set your this in rectangle extended right. So again, if you see, then this is where I can see that this is the positions where price couldn't break and again pull back. Again, this is the positions, again, this is the positions, and again, this is the positions. And if you see that if the price is breaked, if the prices break, then this is the time when it takes the support zone from the same resistance zone which the price couldn't break. So if you see that this is the same support zone, this is the same support zone. If you want to expand it, you can also do it. That's how, you can see. Okay, so this is the proper resistance positions for us, and this is the proper support positions for us. Okay, so if you see that price is taking support zone from here multiple times, so you have to just put it very closely and just you have to drop this. So this is a proper support positions for us. Okay, so for the short term, if I will gonna trying to show you to plot support and resistance for the short term, then you will see, then this is the support zone for the market. Okay, this is the chota support zone for the market. You can also see that this is the chota support zone for the market. Okay, so let's see that if the price is move, if the price can break the resistance zone, then the price can move upward. Okay, after the confirmation क्या होता है उसके ऊपर भी हम लोग बात करेंगे. So if the price can move upward and if the price break that, then the price can move also upward, and if the price break that support zone, then the price can move potentially the support zone number 2 positions, right? So that is how exactly the support and resistance practically worked. I will highly encourage you to visit the TradingView website and doing it by your hand, doing it by your phone. So that is how you will actually gonna see the process of yourself, and you will actually understand that how you can plot it and how it's actually works. So if it doesn't perfect, doesn't matter. You have to just do it. Nobody is perfect from day one. You have to keep practicing and just to keep shining, right? So I will see you in the next video. I don't want to make the video stretched, feel stretched, and keep the video short and engaging. So I will see you on the next video. Bye. Make sure that you subscribe our channel and like that video. Bye.